Hey guys, it's Hellcruiser56X, and today I wanted to showcase this game I made called Tappy Tap 2. Now, this was inspired by this thing on Code called Tappy Tap App, code.org. You know the thing, Hour of Code, code.org. On some IT lessons, they make you go on it, and there's a game on there called Tappy Tap App that they make you make. And I've decided that it's not very great on code, so I decided to remake it in Scratch, and what I really wanted to do is add a bunch more features so it's clearly better. And what I wanted to do in this video is show you all of the features that I did add. So, you see you've got two game modes, classic mode and time teleport mode. I'll just show you the classic mode first. Basically, you tap the blue circle and you get 1 point, you tap the red circle and you get -1 point. Now, of course, you can fiddle around with the difficulty and stuff, and I can show you that later, but for now I'm just going to keep it at this, and you can also change how many seconds you want to play the game for before you get to the end screen. So I'll just go with this normal looking setup, and here we go. Basically, just have to click the blue circle and avoid the red circle, and click as many blue circles as you can before you run out of time, which is pretty easy, but it gets a bit harder if you set the difficulty up, because then the blue circle gets a little bit smaller and the red one gets a bit bigger, which is pretty, like, obvious that that's an obvious way to make it, but it's pretty easy to make the difficulty different. It's a pretty easy way to make the difficulty different, so I ended up doing that. And you can see for the difficulty 1, which is the easiest one, you can have a super big blue circle as well. But what I really wanted to show you was the time teleport mode, because in the time teleport mode, it's a lot more chaotic and it took a lot more code. If I can just see inside, then if you guys want to actually see how crazily long this line of code is, because, like, of how much code you just have to chuck in there to get this stupid time teleport mode to work. That is how long this this code is. Even the end screen is that long. So it took a while to get the time teleport mode. So I guess I'll just go to difficulty 2 for now. But basically, they change positions every second, and you need to click them before they change positions. So if I just miss it out for a second, then it'll just move. So you see I only got 9 out of 10, which is 90%. Another cool thing that I added was the percent meter. So yeah, and if you change the difficulty on this one, then it's kind of different, because if you change the difficulty to 3, which is the hardest, then they actually come faster, and it's actually super hard. And I challenge anyone who's watching this to try and get all 20, or like basically just get full marks on this, because it's so hard. What? 170%? What is this on about? Well, clearly this isn't BUGLESS, but you get the point. And of course, difficulty 1, it's even slower. You only get to do 5, and also the circles are bigger, so it's super easy for this one. And 5 out of 5. What? 50%? Yes, this is definitely a little bit broken, especially just the accuracy meter. So I guess I'll probably come back with another video once it's like done, if I end up making any like other changes to it. But for now, I think I've showed you everything that I wanted to. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.